sake, what now?
Hello? Who's there?
Hello. I was just wondering if you could spare a moment of your time to talk about our Lord and Saviour, Freddy Fazbear.
Go away, Foxy, I'm busy.
Oh, what? How did you know it was me? Oh.
Gee, I wonder.
Before you is an animatronic found in the back alley. Begin audio prompt in 3, 2, 1.
I really hate Rick Astley.
Freddy, you're a right murdering animatronic when you're hungry. Eat a Snickers.
Nom, nom, nom.
Better?
Yeah, thanks, Cookie.
This video is in no way sponsored by Marvel Stickers.
Feel the one making a better plan for you and for me and the entire human race.
Before you is an animatronic found in the back alley. Begin audio prompt in 3, 2, 1.
Thanks very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and hit the bell to make sure you are notified of all future content from the channel. And why not check out some of my previous content?
We are #1.